Hey friends and family, welcome to Marcie Creates. This is Marcie, and look, the Didi's Deluxe Bead Box. So excited. Can't wait to dig in. And I did peek. It's amazing. So let's take a look together. Of course, we have this beautiful, I love the way that she packages the beads. Looks like a little present. It says thank you. And we have Gypsy Soul. Remember Gypsy Caravan? Well, we did it again. This time our Gypsy Soul brings you a warm blend of terracotta orange with cool turquoise, a combination that will capture the essence and mood, evoking images of warmth, vibrancy, and tranquility. So, I'm excited. I love blue and orange. That's my favorite complementary color scheme. Actually, I love the purple and the yellow too, but if you're interested in complementary colors, check out some of my color theory videos. I have them all categorized now. So check that out under playlists. So this is my favorite combination we're going to be looking at. And it's so interesting because I'm looking over at this month's bargain bead box and we have similar things. So you know what that means. I might be combining boxes. But anyway, oh, you guys. Oh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay. Look at that. Doesn't that just make you happy? I love getting this box, I tell you. So first of all, we have a Czech-inspired strand, Gypsy Soul themed. Here it is. Oh, what a wonder to behold. Look at that. Oh, man. Love the Czech flowers. Love this marine blue that's all kind of, what do you call it? Opaque, not opaque. With the texture on it, I love that. Love these little tiny gold little cubes. Some rondelles. Frosted, that's what I was trying to say. Look at the bead caps. And spacer beads. And look at that. That's beautiful. I don't think I've met a Czech bead I don't love. What a beautiful color combination. I love it. I love it. Okay. 8 inches of 13 by 4 millimeter terracotta turquoise mix impression jasper tubes. These are fun. Love that. Look at it next to the, oh, gorgeous. Let me move this over just a little. Okay. 6 inches of 10 by 4 millimeter turquoise stone coins. That's going to be these. They're stunning. I love the veining. Very pretty. Love it. All right. 7 inches of 6 millimeter faceted red-orange banded agate. That's going to be these stunners. You can see they're all different striations in there. I love that. Such a beautiful stone. Lightly faceted. Feels really good on your fingers. And look at it next to all of this. Eye candy. 7.5 inch strand of 6 millimeter graphic feldspar stone. Very earthy, very grounding. It looks, you know, it's a nice rest for your eyes against all this bright color. Very pretty. All right, 16 inches of 6 by 4 millimeter Variegated turquoise orange faceted crystals. Love this. Love this. I just want to restring it just like that. I love it. Oh, ombre with color. Could you just die? Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. Beautiful. See, look at that. You could just string that. Put a cute little charm and call it a day. That would be a beautiful necklace in the summer. I think beach. I think like a sunset over water when I look at this. It's really, really pretty. I love that. Okay. 15 inches of 6x4mm spruce green faceted crystals. So now we have another grounding color in a dark. This is a spruce green rondelle. Looks beautiful with all this. Again, it's a stone to rest your eyes. I mean, a color to rest your eyes, like the stone, against all this beautiful color. Very nice. 14 inches of 4mm Mystic Turquoise Blue faceted crystals. Look at those. Lava boom. Very sparkly. Kind of looks like light dancing off the water, doesn't it? Love that. Let me gotta move my paper. All right. 10 grams of 8O opaque orange check seed beads. You could do a lot with seed beads. This is a nice amount. These are size 8. Love it. One piece of 28 by 20 turquoise howlite owl. Oh, how cute is this guy? Hello, Mr. Owl. Oh, so the hole goes through there. Make such a cute pendant, wouldn't it? Definitely gonna have to make a pendant out of this guy. Adorable. Love that. Let's see. 10 pieces of 10mm coral red fancy wave acrylic beads. Yeah, these caught my eye when I opened the box, when I peeked. These are cool looking. I love the texture on these. Oh, they're very lightweight. Very lightweight, but they're really pretty. Those would look great on some earrings. I love interesting beads like that for earrings. They catch people's attention, especially if it's unusual like that. All right. 4 pieces of 20 by 13 antique brass filigree heart connectors. I think I have these in silver in my stash somewhere, but those are super pretty. Nice connectors. You can use them a variety of ways. You get 4. Looks very antique. I like that. Let's see, 30 pieces of 5mm antique brass textured square spacers. Oh, that's these guys. So some nice brass spacers. There's the side. It's square. They look nice up against all these colors and the filigree. Let's see, an 18-inch antique brass textured bead chain. Ooh. I love interesting chain. Now, what's fun about this is you can take this apart, or you can just make like a second layer to a necklace just by itself. I like that. And it looks heavy, but it's not. It's not heavy at all. But these little loops you can open And you can, you know, just do a few, you know, maybe some earrings with the dangle, maybe some fringe for a necklace. Could double it up and hang some charms off of it for a bracelet. Could do a lot with that. Love that. All right, and last but certainly not least, the bonus is a one-piece 40 millimeter terracotta turquoise impression jasper top drilled pendant. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And I just can't help but look at that with one of those little guys. I like to hang things in front of things, but, or even that, look at that. Definite possibilities. This is a beautiful box. I'm glad we have another gypsy themed box. I loved that gypsy caravan, and this is really gorgeous also. And I haven't touched my Purple Rain box yet, so I gotta get moving. I gotta get moving on some Didi boxes, so stay tuned. Maybe I'll do a Didi weekend or something. Ooh, look at that. What if you surrounded this with this? Wow. Or this. Boy, that would make that pendant pop, wouldn't it? See what I mean about grounding things? The dark and the neutrals will do that when you have them next to something really bright. Let's just play for a minute. This is what I do, you know, when I get a new box. I just kind of play around with putting them on the board and not really committing to a design, just looking at things, kind of making observations, you know. These are so cool. I love these. It's just a lot of fun to play with. This is a beautiful strand too. Those are fun because they have the blue and the orange. And then they have this nice deep marine blue. Kind of does the same type of grounding as that evergreen. And then you got sparkles galore. Sounds like a stage name. Sparkles galore. Yeah, that'd make one heck of a cocktail ring, wouldn't it? Check that out. Or a headband. Anybody that's into headbands. I can't keep headbands on my head. I think I have a weird shaped head. I don't look great in hats either. But I can rock a wig. I can do that. All right, well, I am very happy, as always, with this box. I think Stella does an amazing job on her boxes, and they're always so inspiring. So I can't wait to jump into this one. Whew, I might even have some stuff left from the Gypsy Caravan I might throw in here. I don't think I have much left, but I think I may have topped on her website and ordered some extras when she had them. And also I noticed she's really beefed up the shop. She has some more designer strands and just some really new cool looking goodies. So you need to check out her Didi's online shop, which I will put her link in my description. And she also has a Facebook group, which I will link in my description. Everybody over there is super nice. A lot of the people, you know, we all belong to more than one little Facebook group because we all love jewelry, and, you know, it's just fun to join everybody on each little platform and explore all the fun goodies we get from these boxes together. So do check out her Facebook, check out the goodies she has on her website, and stay tuned. I will have loads of videos coming up for the Purple Rain and this, And I think, you know, now that I'm done with the Goddess series, I think next weekend I'm going to call Didi Weekend. So next weekend is going to be Didi Weekend. All right? We'll make as many things as we can make with the Purple Rain and with this. And that will be, I think that'll be fun. All right? So stay tuned for that. Join our Facebook group if you'd like. My Facebook group, which is called Marcie Creates. Please like and subscribe. If you think you're subscribed, please just do me a favor and double check. I find that YouTube kicks me off stuff all the time that I've subscribed to. I don't know why that happens, but it does. So if you don't want to miss out on any videos, just make sure you double check your subscription. It really does help me and my channel. And with that, I'm going to say good evening. I'm going to let you just enjoy the eye candy for a moment. And thank you very much for watching. Take care of your sweet selves and your families and be safe. And I will see you on the next video.